Welcome to the Blender HardSurface modeling course. In this course, we will start from the basic and move step by step. You will learn how to think like a HardSurface modeler, proper use of Blender tools and modifier, clean and professional topology and techniques, non-destructive workflow, and real-world modeling example and exercise to create professional quality HardSurface modeling. By the end of this course, you will be able to create professional quality HardSurface model. HardSurface modeling is one of the most important skill in 3D art, especially if you want to work in games, films, animation, product visualization, or even 3D printing. In simple words, HardSurface modeling is the process of creating man-made solid object in 3D. These are objects that usually have hard edges, mechanical parts, and defined shapes. Example of HardSurface model include machines, vehicles, weapon, robot, tools, furniture, electronic device, and industrial props. Anything that is not organic or alive usually falls under HardSurface modeling. Organic versus HardSurface modeling. To understand HardSurface modeling better, let's quick compare it with organic model. Organic model is used for living things like humans, animal, creature, faces, muscles, or plants. This model have soft curves, smooth surface, and natural flow. HardSurface models, on the other hand, are rigid and mechanical. They are built using clean geometry, sharp edge, flat surface, and precise measurement. Both are important skills, but HardSurface modeling focus more accuracy, structure, and technical control. Why HardSurface modeling is important? HardSurface modeling is used everywhere. In games, it is used to create weapons, vehicles, building, and environment props. In movies, it is used for science fiction ship, armor, machines, and futuristic design. In product design, it's used to visualize real objects like phone, tools, and appliances. And in 3D printing, almost all printable mechanical parts are HardSurface model. If you want to work professionally in 3D, so HardSurface modeling gives you a huge career advantage. In Blender, HardSurface modeling relies on few keys and techniques. We use basic shapes like cube and cylinder as a starting point. Then we modify them using edit mode, extrude, insert, and loop cuts and bevel. HardSurface modeling is not about guessing shape. It's about observing real-world object. Always use reference image. Study how real things are built, where edges are sharp, where bevel exists, how parts are connected, and how screw and seam are placed. As a typical HardSurface workflow looks like this. First, block out the basic shape. Don't focus on details in the beginning. Next, refine the shape by adding secondary form like panels, cutouts, and major edges. Then add small details such as screw, vents, and bevel. Finally, clean the topology, apply modifier if need, and prepare the model for texture. HardSurface modeling may look complex at first, but with the right workflow and practice, it's become logical and enjoyable. Take your time, follow along, and focus on clean shapes, clean topology, and smart modeling decision. Let's begin our journey into HardSurface modeling.